Since its inception, Lakeshore has been producing cryogenic temperature sensors for the research market, and so for decades now, it's only continued to increase its expertise and skill set in producing these sensors to the point now where if there's any cryogenic research being done around the world, there's a good chance that there's a Lakeshore instrument and sensor there providing measurements for those applications. Lakeshore has its sensors and instrumentation applications all over the world. There are the big famous projects that everyone's heard about, so the CERN particle accelerator, the new fusion reactor being built in France, the ITER reactor. We even have some sensors in the James Webb Space Telescope, which is really cool. But by and large, the majority of our sensors and instruments are used in general research projects all over the world. These are challenging projects, but they're the ones that help advance our knowledge of the universe and how it works. And it's a real privilege to be involved in that. Lakeshore temperature sensors are really unique in the world in that beyond just the physical sensor itself, we have a lot of support infrastructure around that sensor to make it truly something amazing. So obviously the sensor itself is stable, reliable, and purpose-built for cryogenic applications. But then the calibration of that sensor, the knowledge of how the temperature scale maps to that physical property, the physical properties of that sensor, that's what makes it really, really valuable. So we have a world-class calibration facility that has a truly staggering number of NIST traceable secondary standards that we use to map the temperature scale onto those sensors, so that when you get a sensor, you can truly trust the measurements that you're getting from it.
So Lakeshore has a long history in making low-level measurements of temperature in cryostats and other cryogenic equipment. Those sensor applications and measurements required very, very low noise, very sensitive circuitry, which was used in the design and development of the M81 to enable a more general purpose solution that's optimized for best possible noise performance for cryogenic and other low-level applications. The M81 is an all-in-one solution combining very high-quality sourcing, measuring, lock-in detection, all in a compact, convenient package that's modular, supports up to 6 channels of sourcing and measuring.
In 2020, the laboratory cryogenics part of Janus was acquired by Lakeshore Cryotronics, and it's been fantastic. When the two companies joined together, Janus and Lakeshore, it was a logical partnering because we had worked together for so many years. We had still so much overlap that it just made sense to have us together. So bringing together these two groups of experts, the instrumentation experts and the cryogenic experts, was a logical combination to bring together these two groups so that we can collaborate and bring new things to the research community that we couldn't do separately. But now together, when we draw on all of this deep expertise and collaborate together, we can do some really exciting things for the community.
When Janus joined Lakeshore, we recognized how their cryogenic expertise and products could expand our existing solutions. The collaboration has been really fun, each side bringing in a different perspective of years of cryogenic experience, and this led us to a fully integrated cryogenic measurement offering. CryoComplete is a series of complete cryogenic measurement solutions, from the environment, temperature control, measurement instrumentation, and control software. Each CryoComplete is targeted for a different application. The first in the series is geared towards electrical transport measurements. It has our M81 synchronous source measure system, our 335 temperature controller, VPF 100 cryostat, calibrated sensor, and MeasureLink software.
MeasureLink was initiated during the development of our electromagnet material characterization platform. This is a modular platform. It's capable of a wide range of applications and measurements. So we really needed a piece of software that could allow our users to define these experiments they wanted to make, but without us having to be involved in the design at that time. The way we did this was to create a non-programming environment with drag and drop measurement steps that allow us to set up system sweeps like temperature sweeps, magnetic field sweeps, sample rotation, but then also control the measurement electronics to coordinate a full experiment.
Because each part of CryoComplete, from the sensor, instrumentation, cryostat, is a piece Lakeshore designs and manufactures, we have full control of optimizing the entire measurement signal path. So not only does your system setup go essentially from months to minutes, you also have a fully optimized signal path. I can't wait to see all the research CryoComplete will enable.